The combustion blower is located on the right side of the stove when viewed from the rear. Loosen and remove the 5/16" screw which secures the exhaust blower easy access door to the unit. Once the door is open, the exhaust blower will be clearly visible. Disconnect the venting system from the exhaust blower just enough that you will be able to remove the exhaust blower from the stove. Unplug the two wires which connect the stove wiring harness to the exhaust blower using the quick connect plugs. Loosen and remove the 5/16" screw on the top of the exhaust blower output connection which holds the thermal sensor to the exhaust blower. Loosen the 5/16" self-drilling screws which hold the exhaust blower to the exhaust blower tube. A 12-inch socket extension will likely be necessary to reach all of the screws. Remove the old exhaust blower from the stove. Install the new exhaust blower, part number PU-076002B, and new exhaust blower gasket using a 5/16" socket wrench and the 5 screws that were previously removed. Connect the new exhaust blower to the stove wiring harness and attach the thermal sensor to the new blower. Reinstall the venting pipe and any panels that you previously removed.